Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with a flip through of my Crafty Cat USA design team project, Dioro. Dioro, I think is how you say it. Anyway, it's Italian for gold. And I've put the title of the book right at the beginning here, and underneath that I've also put another piece that says Orchardist, because I used my kit, the Orchardist, in there too. They went together perfectly. It was sort of a match made in heaven. So I'm really pleased with that. This is the upholstery cover fabric that we made in the very first episode of the journal cover series that I'm doing. So let's go inside this big, fat, chunky it's a 3 signature journal, and oh my gosh, it did grow. It did grow. So I've just closed it with some seam binding that just went perfectly with the cover. So that was fun. And here we go. So inside is covered in coffee dyed muslin. I have this big journaling card that I received this actually in Happy Mail and added some texture modeling paste to it and painted it and such. Little pocket here on the inside cover. And then this is the first of Amy's beautiful designs on her pages. We've got some stenciling going on there, some big graph paper, some eco-dyed paper. This one I think is from Rosemary Morris. Beautiful. It's got real subtle peach colors in it. It's beautiful. Some of the masking paper. This is the first of the Orchardist digitals. And I've made this into a pocket for a big journaling card. You can journal on the back of that. And that slides up top here. And has a nice tab to be able to pull it out. Coffee dye. One of the little triple pockets that Crafty Irina taught us all how to do. And then this is a piece. This is not from Dioro. It's from a different kit, but still Crafty Cat. And a little bit of her digitals just collaged on that pocket. Some of my eco-dyed papers. These are the originals, not the digitals. Coffee dyed. A little belly band with the journaling card with a couple of my doily and lace digitals on there. And just a fun thing to journal on. This is a paper that we made with sprays. We made that together. This is an image from one of Amy's kits. There's the little flip up, flip down happening here, like so. And in this tiny envelope is a little piece of paper for secret journaling as well. And there is an opening at the back if one wanted to slide something under there. Some eco-dyed paper, coffee dye. This is a Rita Donnelly flip here. And journaling card. This one with the coffee dye on the back, making the lines perfectly, which is kind of cool. This is one of my ledger digitals that I've just printed onto coffee dyed paper. Got a little envelope here. And these are from my cabinet card digitals. Amy, I feel like there's more me in here than you, but I'll tell you, the Dioro kit from Amy is what totally inspired this kind of naturey journal, and I love it. I love how grungy it is and such. So this is one of Amy's beautiful designs. I love her digitals for collage. I mean, as you can see, you can take all sorts of bits and pieces from this to collage. In the middle here, I've got a bee and a butterfly charm just on the strings there. Little fabric flip here, so lots of journaling space under there. Coffee dyeing. Again, the ledger. Rita Donnelly flip. So we kind of have everything kind of the same going back this way. Eco dyed. The sprayed, and then this is an eco dyed big envelope, so lots of goodies could be kept in there. Coffee dyed, eco dyed. This wonderful little pocket, and it's just got a little card and just a piece of coffee dyed paper that was interesting, and so those are tucked in there. Extra journaling on both of those. Here's the other side of the big pocket, and with the big journaling card collaged. Lots of writing on the back. So even though those are printed on both sides, they're still journaling in that spot, which is kind of cool. Eco dyed, look at that beautiful maple leaf. Ooh, I think that's so pretty. So fun. And that's the first signature. Second signature, I have one of my digitals copied on coffee dyed muslin, and then it's all collaged on this side. Oops, a little bit of, there we go. Had the belly band attached to two pages instead of one. So that's graph paper. Amy's design there. Another fabric flip for more journaling space there. A little Edith Holden. Here is another one of my digitals, and it's just got this pretty envelope attached. Actually, I haven't collaged the back of that. I think I'm going to glue that in, actually. Okay, I'm going to stick that out the top so I remember to do that. Eco dyed, coffee dyed. Here's another Crafty Irina pocket with envelope that's been embossed and collaged on. Eco dyed again. The big envelope in this signature. Some ledger paper, coffee dyed. Here's the flip. And this journaling card with space to write on the back. Another one of the ledger pages. This fun big tag that can be journaled on the back, and it's got, let's put it back on here. It's got this tag and a little vintage playing card there. These all were from Denise at a Tattered Dream. The big tag, this garment tag, and then the vintage card. Those are from Denise. Here's the middle of this signature, and this one has some birds and two little acorns as far as the charms go. And then on this side, got a big tag with a few of Amy's ephemera pieces, and then we've got an avocado dyed index card that goes in there. Ledger paper, here's the flip again, and a journaling card. And once again, one of the flip downs here for extra journaling space. Coffee dyed. The belly band again with one of the big journaling cards. And then this little pocket has one of the receipts from my shop, and then just a variety of little tags in it. This one was made with one of the images from Amy's kit. This is words from Mrs. Coggs. Lots of journaling space in this one. There is another one of Amy's beautiful designs. That's that signature. And then the last signature starts with a design from Amy. And let's see, oh, a full page pocket using some collage pieces from Amy. And then this little card is in there. Dictionary page. Here's a side pockets this time with big journaling card. This is one of Mrs. Cogg's word pieces, and then some collaging from Amy from her other kits other than this one that we're featuring here. And then again, one of the pockets with this. I left these on all these. I left these pockets empty for the person to fill, only because this journal was getting so chunky. So another journaling card here, all collaged, and then a flip, fabric flip here, and then the middle of this signature with a butterfly and an acorn at the bottom. Some stamping and stenciling, coffee dyed, ledger, eco dyed. Here's a belly band with this little journaling card has a pocket, and I put one of Amy's little ephemera pieces in there. And then again, the flip and a journaling card, and another eco dyed envelope, again a flip up, flip down, another pocket with some lovely tags that were sent to me that I just thought went well with the color scheme here. And then another journaling card with Amy's designs. Actually goes this way. A little tab to pull it out with. And then some pages, and then this little card that can be journaled on the inside is all collaged with Amy's digitals. And then in the back here, we've got a writing board that just sits back here, and it does have journaling space on the back if should you want to. A big pocket with a collaged envelope. That's going to go right there. So that is Dioro. And I want to thank Amy so much for sharing her designs. Like I say, they are really, really wonderful for collage, and I loved working with them. Thank you so much, Amy. And this little journal, this little giant journal will be listed in my Etsy shop on August 9th at 10 a.m. That is several days from now, to give you all a chance. But yeah, so I'm listing this big old journal on my birthday, so that's pretty fun. Oh, I need to undo that because I need to glue this in, don't I? Wanted to do that. So anyway, I hope you like the journal, and I hope you'll go over to Amy's shop, CraftyCatUSA. I'll have it down below, and pick up some of her fun designs for collage. They really are so much fun to work with. You know, there's just awesome bits and pieces in it. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and again, August 9th, 10 a.m. in my Etsy shop, CinnamonT. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.